Oh yeah, sorry, little side step on the way back. Thought we'd quickly come and see La Roche qui Pleure, which is basically the rock that cries. Yeah, again, you know, they come up with these mad names. And yeah, basically this one is apparently the way that the waves hit the rocks. Apparently the formation of it makes it look like the rocks cry. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. So, come to the spot. It's basically like one of those rock formation edges. So, yeah, basically the analogy of riding here, you see, actually this falls down the side of it. But apparently from over there, it's a really good spot. That's where you actually see it like it is. But, I mean, look at it though. This island has so much to offer, so much to give. I keep rattling on about it in every single video that I'm doing, but I mean, look, what do you want me to say? Island life, whatever you want in Caribbean, whatever you want in Bali, come Mauritius. That's what I'm saying. You know, come Mauritius. It's not just the water hitting the side. There is a specific point. I don't know if you can just catch it on the camera.